Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Advanced Drawing and the course code is 53119. Our topic is about 2-point perspective. Dear students, this is a practical topic. First of all, I would like to explain about two-point perspective. Define two-point perspective. Define the terms horizon line, vanishing point and orthogonal line. Create a two-point perspective drawing. First of all, what is perspective? Perspective, a technique of depicting volumes and spatial relationships on a flat surface. Define two-point perspective. This artwork is using two-point perspective, which every part is measured from the 2 points to create an accurate perspective drawing. Lines look like they are meeting at 2 points on the horizon line. Example of two-point perspective. Another example of two-point perspective drawing. Define the terms horizon line, vanishing point and orthogonal line. Horizon line. The line in a perspective drawing where the sky meets the ground. It also represents the rear eye level. Horizon line. You can see can see the horizon line in this picture. Vanishing point. The point on the horizon line at which lines or edges that are parallel appear to converge. You can see the vanishing point. Another example, you can see the vanishing point and horizon line in this drawing. Orthogonal lines means parallel lines. It is the line you draw from the corner of an object to the vanishing point. It establishes the illusion of a perpendicular line going into the distance. Orthogonal lines. Two-point perspective. You can see the vanishing point, horizon line, orthogonal line, vertical lines in this painting. Two vanishing points for two-point perspective. Example of two-point perspective. Another. Beautiful drawing of 2 point perspective. Thanks.